look at this sandwich.
I've been here before when I got stabbed. That's a different story. Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this glorious day? Good, I hope. I am doing fantastic. And I'm about to go to Mama Yoshi's Katsu. Mama Yoshi's Mini Mart. Good Lord, Jesus Christ, lady. Mama Yoshi's Mini Mart, which, you know, is selling some delicious treats, such as delicious katsu sandwiches. And speaking of treats, hello ma'am. Don't know what to say, but yeah, I'm riding my little 620. It's dusty as hell. Look at this shit. This whole thing is just gross. It's unruly, completely unruly. But you know, one day at a time, it's gonna be all right. And this chick is legit hot as all hell. I am pretty impressed with the hotness. Come on, let me go green. Sweet Jiminy's. And this Katsu place I'm going to, I have never been here before, but I've seen it on Instagrams, and that's like my usual story. You see something on Instagrams, and then you just end up checking it out in real life. But I really hope it is good. It's gotta be. How bad can it be? I just hope we're going to the right place. We might be, we might not be. There's only one way to find out, really. And it's super hot. It's a super hot day as well. It's like 90 degrees, over 90 degree feels. So it is what it is. It is what it is. And got a lot of work to do today as well. And I already done a lot, but there's always more. This bike just sounds so nice. And I decided to take this baby out today. It's been a minute and a half. It's been a minute and a half. I don't even know what's going on here. Who knows? Some sort of nonsense. There we go. It's a weird way. I'm not exactly sure why it's taking me this strange way, but we're okay with it. We don't mind it. So that is the bike right over there. So here we are. Look at this sandwich. It is massive. Exciting. Gonna eat it up. Oh yes. And I got some milk tea as well. Ladies and gents. Oh yeah. Let's debrief. The food was amazing. It was delicious. It was almost like too big of a portion, which is kind of surprising, you know. Nowadays everything is so small and everything is so tiny. So to get a portion that's actually like big and delicious, surprising, definitely surprising. And now, let's make our way home. Wyckoff. Yeah, it was a very, very, very yummy sandwich. I'll definitely go back. I'll go back for the curry bowl, more than likely. The sandwich was like delicious, but super, super spicy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was surprisingly spicy, actually. I didn't think it was gonna be that spicy, because normally, like I was saying, things are just not spicy nowadays, because it's all general kind of thing, you know. So it's surprising to see something that's actually as advertised. And this area here changed so much. I used to live here, and this was the hood. This was like literally definitely the hood. And now it's pretty nice. Like, for example, this hospital here, it's a legit piece of shit. I've been here before when I got stabbed, but that's a different story. What are you doing, bro? Little baby 620. Still got it. Still rumbling and a tumbling. And look at this sweet squid life over here. Come on. Come on, bro. You gonna turn or not? Folks are driving like fucking crazy. Yes, no, maybe, kinda. Sorta. A little bit. Guess not. This person is literally going straight, so I have no idea what they're doing. I could have went that way. Nothing wrong with it. Ooh, look. That's Adam's little car over there. Adam is the dirty Billy feller. People, my sister's studio. It's funny, hold on. Whoop. Sorry, sir. All these areas, like I know all of them. Yeah. I'm losing it. It's a little too hot. I'm a little too full. Yeah, the curry was a little too spicy. The sandwich was a little too spicy. Okay. There we go. Come on. Like that. Easy work. I don't have time for fucking dillying or dallying. I just have to advance. Like auto parts. Advance like auto parts. Very cute. Super adorable. My goodness, how is this guy or lady on a Revel going slower than me? How is this even a thing? Ooh. All right. This person is just not the best. You're gonna check your phone somewhere else, bud. Freaking riding a Revel with no gear and, on your phone. Okay, bye.